Shiba Inu coin news today. Shib is about to explode. Shiba to 10 cents soon. Shiba Inu is arguably among the most popular meme coins today, named after the Shiba Inu dog. The coin has gained tremendously over the years. It is essentially a decentralized meme token that has managed to evolve and amassed a vibrant community for its ecosystem. The dynamic community building approach has made Shib popular, resulting in the name the Doge Coin Killer. It is available today on most decentralized exchanges. Shiba Inu has recently recorded relatively high price gains in the recent months since its launch in August of 2020. The future appears bright for digital assets as forecasts show that a majority will continue to increase worth over more extended periods. Since Shiba is dependent on the Ethereum blockchain and has support from Elon Musk, it is highly likely to experience exponential growth. Shiba Inu is essentially the most popular cryptocurrency inspired by the famous Dogecoin. Most of these Dogecoin-inspired tokens have gained popularity due to the unprecedented endorsement by Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who has openly endorsed Dogecoin. Hi there, my name is Nathan and welcome to CASHIFY, the #1 channel on YouTube dedicated to giving you high-quality content and high-quality cryptocurrency information. Also, we're giving away $300 at the end of the month to a random subscriber to start them on their crypto journey. To enter, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment your favorite crypto coin in the comments section down below. Shiba Inu is quickly taking over the crypto scene and is growing at a very fast rate. The community around the coin is extremely strong and lots of people believe that the coin could reach 10 cents. Shiba Inu has been in the news a lot recently, mainly because the coin was very recently listed on Coinbase and Binance, two of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world. This led to Shiba seeing a spike in value as it made 25% gains over the weekend. Unfortunately, the coin has come down in value since. On the positive side of things, Shiba's official Twitter account hit 900,000 followers and looks likely to hit 1 million followers before the end of the month, which is likely to give the coin a lot of publicity and increase its value. And now with new news breaking out, we could see a massive spike in Shib's value. India's crypto COVID relief announces latest status of 𝗬𝗰𝗏's donation. The second COVID-19 wave in India proved particularly devastating for the country and saw an outpouring of help from leading personalities from the crypto space who donated considerable funds to help with relief efforts in the country. Among the many individuals who donated to India's COVID relief efforts was Ethereum co-founder 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗿𝗲𝘁𝘀, who donated trillions of Shiba Inu tokens towards India's COVID relief fund. All tokens successfully converted. Today, India's crypto COVID relief account announced the successful conversion of the last remaining tokens from the donation of $76.2 million in stablecoins. There are now lots of online petitions running for Robinhood to list Shiba Inu. Will Robinhood list Shiba Inu? 185,000 people hope so as SHIB crypto rallies. Shiba Inu fans are some of the most vocal of the crypto bulls. The ecosystem and its developers have managed to capture a very tight-knit community of investors. These investors oftentimes take to Twitter to promote their favorite token. They also often demand listing on increasingly popular trading platforms and respond to naysayers. Now, they're looking to build enough support to rally Robinhood for a Shib crypto listing. Regardless of bear sentiments toward the crypto, its fans push onward. After securing a listing on the Coinbase exchange last week, Shib crypto bulls are setting their sights on Robinhood. Robinhood is one of the premier platforms for a crypto to find a listing, as one of the most popular apps for retail investors. Cryptos with a listing on the Robinhood have a huge amount of exposure. Since it is primarily a stock trading app, it offers a level of exposure not afforded by dedicated crypto exchanges. As it stands right now, Robinhood hosts 7 cryptos on its platform. These are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and several notable hard forks of the two. Shiba Inspiration Dogecoin is also one of the altcoin plays available on the app. A petition from Shiba Inu fans calls for Shib to join the ranks of Dogecoin on the platform. With over 185,000 signees on the page, the petition is yet another example of Shiba Inu fans' willingness to rally around the coin. If you want to learn more about how Shiba Inu could hit 10 cents soon, then check out the video on screen now. You won't be disappointed. Before we finish today, it would be massively appreciated if you could drop a like on the video and let me know what you learned in the comments. Thank you for watching until the end of the video.